Hey guys, so this is the next little video on how to use some equipment and machinery and things you can write about in your manufacturing plan. So I'm going to talk to you about now the manual tools. So this little guy we've got here is called the scroll saw. You'll see it's got a very, very fine blade on it. You can hear that there. Now these are great for cutting thin materials, like we're talking acrylic, plywood, MDF, card even, because it's got such a thin blade, you can actually cut quite complex, intricate shapes. So when you're cutting with this, you can just have your hands on the blade, you can move the material around, and they're good for cutting like rough prototypes and fairly quickly as well. Think of it this way: it's the powered version of a coping saw, which I've got here. Yeah, basically the powered version of one of those. So the positives of this are that it's it's quick to use, they're easy to use, they're relatively safe, as long as you put the guard down in the front there. There's a little guard just on the front there, and you'd need to say, like, you know, make sure that you lower the guard. And the rule with these is that the guard is about, I don't know, it's about 1 cm above the workpiece that you're working on. So the whole point of the guard is that your thumb can't then touch the blade. So yeah, other things with this are it has like a little nozzle there that will blow away sawdust and excess material. We've got the little sign to wear goggles on here as well, and it's down there as well. So a machine like that, you basically just need to have had adequate training to be able to use it properly, because it's powered. You need to use the safety guard correctly, you need to have the extraction on correctly, you should obviously be wearing goggles, hair tied back, and wearing an apron. And it's also things like, you can see here, we've got the designated work area, so it's making sure that no one is standing right behind you when you're using it. So yeah, so if I'm working on the machine here, make sure that there is no one like just behind me either side.